we are going to be reviewing kinetic sand. I saw this, and I don't really know what it is. It's just blue sand. Well, I guess there's other colors, but it kind of fell apart, and now it's kind of like this blue dust kind of thing. This is like a hard part, but when I squish it, it turns into like... Huh? What? That's really weird. Let me pick up the entire thing. Whoa! Yo! Yo, this is crazy. It's literally melting in my hands. What? Yo, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. What? What the heck is... Yo, this is so satisfying. When it's... Yo, when you press it together, it's like wet sand. But when you just hold it, it turns into like dry sand and it just falls out of your hand. This is crazy, man. Oh my gosh, look at this. It came with these things. Like this. Let's try to use it, I guess. It's so hard to pick up stuff with this. I had to use my finger, but... Yeah, this is useless. It also came with this thing. Oh, I think you're supposed to put stuff in here. I thought this was just like a decoration. There's a turtle over there, and also a castle. Wait, I kind of want to use the castle first, because castles are cool. Look at this. This is what I want. I don't need the shovel. The shovel is dirty. Not dirty. I don't know why I said it dirty. It was just not really good. Let's just mush it in there. Look at this. This is crazy cool. I love this stuff. I'm not even gonna go to the beach. I just want the beach sand to be like this sand. This is crazy. A car just passed. Another car just passed. Yo, this is so cool. But it takes so long. It's just gonna be one big castle. You know what? I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there and I'll scrape it off. The extras, I'll scrape it off. Keep going, keep going. We're almost there. Come on, just scrape stuff off. Come on. Hey. Very nice. Oh ho ho. Okay. I think we've done it. Wait. A bit more over here. Sorry if this is taking a long time. Don't skip to the end because I have a surprise for you guys. My new outro. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. Look at that. That looks pretty flat. Let's put it on like a flat surface, like right here. I'm scared it's go. Wait, can I put it on my hand? It fell. Yo, this is crazy. There's a castle in my hands, and I don't know what to do with it. I'm scared it's gonna melt again. If I put it like this, it's gonna melt, isn't it? Oh gosh. Oh dear. If I just hold it like this, it's gonna melt. Surely. Look. It might take a while, but look. It's gonna melt. Look at one of these things are already falling. Oh my gosh, on the inside. Oh gosh. Okay, that thing fell. I'm just gonna hold it like this. Oh my gosh. This is great. Oh. Yo. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love this stuff. Wait, it's not. Oh! Big pieces got fall. Oh. Yo, it's like raining. This is where rain comes from. It's just kinetic sand. Doo, doo. It's raining. It's boring. No one is snoring. My dad is snoring. No, my dad's not here. Oh. Okay. The whole thing fell. But remember this thing? It's one of the sides. It's still intact. Look at that. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's gonna fall. Oh. Oh. I kind of want to do this turtle now. Look at this. This looks cool. I want to do it in my hand as well, so stay tuned for that. If you don't want to watch me do this, just skip until I do this. Oh, this is a piece of the castle thing. This is another piece of the castle thing. Okay, my mom just turned on the light. That's cool. Yeah, this is very cool, and I love it. It is amazing. Ooh. Welcome to Tang's toy review. I'm going to turn into Ryan. And now I'm going to get millions of subscribers. Ooh. Keep on with the horse stuff. Don't stop till you get enough. Keep on, okay. No, I had to stop with the stinging. Singing. Not stinging. I'm not stinging anyone. Who's stingy? Wait, who? Who's stinky? I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I think I'm going crazy. No, I'm not. Does that fit my hand? Yes, it does. Wait, I want it on the other hand, actually. It has landed on my hand. Yo! Look at that. That is crazy. Oh, it's so smooth. I wish you could feel it. Look. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I don't want to break it. I got a bowl here, so I'm going to put it in it. Oh no. His flipper fell off. Well, you don't need that. Just put it in. No. You're going to break like that. Okay. One of your legs just broke off. But it's fine. It's still soft. Now it's time to mush him up. Do. Here's your food, sir. Oh, that's fun. Oh, wait, I forgot about Mr. Crab. I said I was going to use him. Let's use dead turtle and bring Mr. Crab back to life, who is just a mold. Moldy boldy. Willy dinky. Oh no. Oh gosh. I spilled. Oh gosh, there's a big piece over there. Okay, my mom's playing music. I don't want to get copyright, please. I don't want to get copyright. I have to speak loudly now. If I get copyright, that's my mom's fault. Oh my gosh, she's going to get me copyright. No. Oh my gosh. This is not good, guys. Sorry for people wearing headphones. I need to speak loudly so her music doesn't interrupt anything. Oh my god, it's so loud. Wait. Beep. Not too loud of music, man. I'm going to get copyright, man. Bye, I'm going to get copyright. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's a bit quieter now. Now I don't have to shout. I just noticed that I've passed the 10-minute mark. Maybe. Okay, let's carry on with this crab. Mr. Krabs. SpongeBob. I'm gonna put it... Oh my gosh, it's Mr. Turtle's remains! I'm gonna put it on my hand again. But this time on this one. I don't know which way is the head. This way. This way is the head. Oh, no, it's this way. Come on. Come on. Why is it staying here? Oh! Yo! Look at this! It's Mr. Crab! Let's eat some crab. Let's fry this crab up. No, I'm just joking. Oh, look at this crab claw. Look at the crab claw. I don't want it to spill on my table. The legs, I'm gonna hold it like this and the legs are gonna fall off. Yep, it's already happening. The legs! The legs! Okay, who cares about legs? The body is the most important part because it has a lot of meat. Okay, and now I'm sorry, Mr. Crab. You are just the body now. Oh no! Someone says that Mr. Crab is the imposter. Time for emergency protocol. Wait. This is now the new Mr. Krabs. He's just a bunch of remains. I'll put him in the pile of Mr. Okay, there's so much stuff in here. Wait, I want to try one more thing before I go. You see this? You see this ball? You see this? Wait, this is not a ball. You see this ball? I'm going to try to cut it without making anything spill out. Come on. It's going well. It's going well. Yo, okay, it's still a bit spilly, but I've done it. Actually, no, it's falling. Okay, I just dropped that one. Oh! Okay, wait. Let me try to make the biggest ball in the world. Okay, and now I'm sounding sus. I'm sus. I'm now the imposter now. Let's take all of this and round it into a big ball of kinetic sand. Yo, this is crazy. Look how big this is. Oh, this is so soft as well. Do you know how soft this ball is? I wish my balls were... this is like a snowball size. Maybe not this big, but it's still big. It's like a bigger snowball. Look at that. Hey, look at this. Looks like a magic ball. Hey, will I get 1 million subscribers? Oh my gosh, it said yes. Click that subscribe button because this magic blue ball, Geometry Dash World, blue balls. If you play that, this is a blue ball in that game. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now let's cut it in half. It's a lollipop. My lollipop. Let's mix it. Let's just put more on it now. Let's make it the biggest ball in the history of balls. I'm sounding really sus right now, but I don't want to be sus. But I am being sus. Sus. Sus has a lot of sus in it. I measured the sus. The sussy baka. Sussy baka. Chickens call you an idiot. Baka. Oh yeah. I don't want to drop this ball. This big ball. Like my balls. They're big too. Just joking. Okay, we're in the 15-minute mark for me in recording. I have to put my intro and my outro. I think that's gonna be in around like the 20-minute mark, so yeah. Wait, let's try to add all of the kinetic sand right on this. And try to make it the biggest... my arm. Oh, it's hurting. Oh my gosh, this is really tiring of just pushing it. Look at that. You don't tell me that's big, right? It's literally almost going to break my palm. It's literally going to be bigger than my palm. Look how big this is. Compared to this bowl, sorry Mr. Crab, your remains need to be out of here. Look how big this is. This bowl is literally small, nearly, oh my gosh, this is so big. Let me put it down here, outside. Is it gonna melt? No, nothing's happening. Let's put a turtle on top of it and okay, now there's an outline. I gave it a tattoo, but now the tattoo's gonna go away, which is not possible if you actually have a real tattoo. I'm gonna make an egg now. Needs to be this is really hard to do because I'm not an egg designer, and I don't want this to break. That's the closest of an egg that I could get. If I colored that, that would look like an egg. This is my egg, and this will hatch into a tang. Ooh. I'm playing with my egg. Oh, this is a good exercise ball for old people. When old people get old, they can't really do much exercise. They just do this with an exercise ball. And this is my exercise egg. Wait. What if I hold it with these nuts? Oh yeah. Okay, now it's stuck on there. Put it back on. You don't deserve to be having this. Only my egg can have stuck on here. Oh gosh. Stay with me here. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff on here. Wait, let me take this out. Bear with me. Guys, this is emergency. Okay, I think we're fine. Let's put some more kinetic sand on here. Oh, I'm giving it even more hair than it already has. Oh, I'm putting all of it in. Oh my gosh, it's getting so much bigger. At the end of this video, you'll see my outro, and you'll see this ball melt in front of your face. Actually, let's do the ball melting in front of your face, and then let's do the outro. Sounds good? Yeah. It doesn't matter if you say nothing because I'm not Mr. Tumble over here. Red nose. Red nose day. Mr. Tumble always thinks it's Red Nose Day. And clowns too. They always think it's Red Nose Day. That's why they always wear red nose. Look at this ball. It's almost the size as like my nose. The frustrated gamer nose. So big. Green nose. Now this is a blue nose. Woo! Yo! Okay. Oh, I worked so hard on this ball and now I have to see it disappear in my hands. Go. Nothing's happening so far. Staying intact. Anything going to happen? I can feel the thing's getting squished now. I'm gonna push it a bit. Oh no. I can see cracks. I see a lot of cracks. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh, it's raining. It's raining, guys. Guys, it's raining all of its insides out. Oh, that sounds bad. Ooh, I'm gonna gather some. Oh no, 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 no! Oh my gosh, it's literally raining so hard in wherever this is. Why did I squeeze it? There's literally a mountain of stuff right above me. This thing, I'm gonna put these back together and I'll squeeze. Oh, yo! This is crazy. It feels like I'm making blue stuff come out of my hand. Magic! Magic, look at me, I'm doing magic. Magic, look at me, oh yeah. Actually, that looks like a real magic trick. Look, look, look. Just hide stuff inside of your hands and say, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I will make an infinite supply of kinetic sand. Let's start. Ugh, this is very hard to do. Because I had to poop out. Wait, what? This isn't my. Keep going. I can do more. Come on. Let's continue. Come on. We can do it. Come on. Magic. Come on. Look at this. It looks like it's coming out of my anus. Which is not my anus. I don't know what I'm talking about. Look at this. Oh, okay. Bye, guys. Let's see the new outro. Haha.